Hello, how are you? Welcome to Language Broker English Lessons. Let's listen to a short story in English. Do not translate, just listen. Jennifer woke up to a bright and sunny morning. She walked into the kitchen where her two children, Amber and Johnny, were sitting at the table. Smiling, she held up a picnic basket. Good morning, Amber and Johnny. Today is a beautiful day. Let's go to the park for a picnic, she said. Amber's eyes lit up. Yay! I love picnics, she exclaimed. Johnny grinned. Can I bring my soccer ball, Mom? Of course, Jennifer replied. Let's get ready. We need sandwiches, fruit, and juice. Amber helped put sandwiches in the basket while Johnny grabbed his soccer ball and the blanket. Jennifer reminded them, don't forget the sunscreen. It's very sunny today. Okay, Mom, the children cheered. When they arrived at the park, they found the perfect spot under a large tree with a clear view of the lake and playground. They spread out their blanket, and Amber eagerly took a bite of her sandwich, while Johnny clutched his soccer ball. This spot is perfect. We can see the lake and the playground, Jennifer said. Mom, can we feed the ducks later? Amber asked excitedly. Sure, but remember, we can only give them bird food, not bread, Jennifer reminded her. Johnny bounced his soccer ball. After that, can we play soccer? Yes, but first, let's eat and enjoy the fresh air, Jennifer said, pouring juice into cups for the children. After their meal, they walked over to the lake where a few ducks swam nearby. Amber held a small bag of bird food in her hands. Look, Mom, the ducks are coming to us, she said, thrilled. Be gentle, Amber. Throw the food slowly, Jennifer instructed. Can I try too? Johnny asked. Yes, Johnny. Here's some food for you, Jennifer said, handing him some. Johnny tossed the food into the water, and the ducks quickly gobbled it up. They're so cute, Amber giggled. Next, they played soccer on the grass. Johnny kicked the ball towards Jennifer, who tried to block it but missed on purpose. Watch this, Mom. I'm going to score a goal, Johnny said confidently. Jennifer pretended to miss again, making Johnny cheer. Goal! Amber clapped her hands. I want to play too. Come on, Amber. Let's all play together, Jennifer said. As the sun began to set, they packed up their picnic items. The sky turned a beautiful shade of orange and pink. Did you have fun today? Jennifer asked. Yes, the ducks were my favorite, Amber said. I loved playing soccer, Johnny added. Jennifer smiled. I'm glad. Let's come back another day. Hand in hand, the family walked towards their car, their hearts full of happiness. The end. All right, thank you for listening to our first short story in English. You need to practice, practice, practice. As always, practice makes you better. So go back and listen to the story again and see if you can pick up on familiar words. As always, thank you for watching. Please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson. I will see you again soon for another short story. Have a good day. Bye.